Hi, and welcome to Stop Doing Invisible Work, Automate. In this video, we'll explore how artificial intelligence can simplify your daily routines. The most impactful use of AI is delegating invisible work, those repetitive tasks that drain your mental energy at work and at home. Let's start by looking at how AI can transform your work life. Artificial intelligence allows you to automate boring, multi-step processes, freeing you up for more strategic thinking. Imagine a project manager. A signed contract can trigger AI to download, save, create a project, send a welcome email, and notify your team, all automatically. Now, let's look at how to implement these powerful automations in your work. Popular tools for this include Zapier, Make.com, or Microsoft Power Automate, which integrates with Office 365. Identify triggers, such as a new form submission, and set actions like summarizing leads with ChatGPT, creating CRM contacts, and drafting personalized follow-up emails. Next, let's explore how AI can help manage the mental load of running a household. The biggest win at home is using AI to manage the mental load, the endless stream of scheduling, planning, and remembering. An AI-powered hub can answer questions about the family calendar, create meal plans, and generate shopping lists, all by voice command or shared dashboard. Now, let's discuss how to implement AI in your home life. The simple method involves using voice assistants like Google Assistant or Alexa to create shared shopping lists, calendars, and even automated routines. For an advanced method, use flexible tools like Notion to create a custom family hub with shared calendars, meal planners, and to-do lists, leveraging Notion AI for smart planning. Start automating your work and home life today and reclaim your time and mental energy. Thanks for watching. Join us at AIQuantumIntelligence.com, your trusted source for AI, robotics, Internet of Things, machine learning and data science news, information and learning resources. Together we learn, together we thrive.